Okay, guys. Now, index number. Let us talk about index number first. Okay, if you ask me, right, guys, index number is actually percentage lah, class. Tu saja. Index number, if you know that, if you can notice that, index number is a percentage. It's a percentage class. Okay, it's a percentage. Okay, so but we are comparing the price. We can compare the price here in this chapter. We will compare the price. And sometimes we can compare the quantity also, guys. Paham? So not only price. Those days, this chapter called price index, you know. Dulu kita panggil chapter ni sebagai price index. Lepas tu, diorang tukar price index jadi index number. Because we are not comparing only price. We will comparing the quantity. So they changed the name of this chapter to index number. Paham? Index number. So in this chapter, actually, we can compare anything, guys. We can compare anything. We can compare the price, we can compare the quantity, a lot of things we can compare. Okay, but the comparison things must be the same. Kalau you banding harga, should be price with the price. You need to compare. If you comparing the quantity A, that compare with the quantity B. Understand? You cannot simply compare the quantity with the price. No, that is not a such thing. So comparison should be from the same thing, right? Quantity or price like that. Okay. So dalam chapter ni kita akan belajar dua benda saja. Lepas habis dua benda ni, kita akan belajar soalan saja habis SPM question. Okay. Okay, never mind. I start first with my first exercise. Now, guys, go to your first exercise. I think most of you can see this one there. I put I, then they put P 1 divided by P0 times with 100. Okay, the P actually can change to Q, guys. Understand? I told you right just now. P is the price actually. This is the price one and P1 and P0. You dengar? Nampak ni? Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, jom. Kita start. Kita punya journey. So actually this is very fast, you know. Compare with your what do you call index number. Solution of triangle is actually faster. Okay, come. Okay, go to exercise 1. Okay, I read the question for the first one. The first question. Okay, the price of the bottle of the sauce for the year 2010 and 2011 was 2 ringgit and 240. Okay, find the price of the sauce for the year 2011 base. Guys, when they say base, bila dia kata base, if they say base means you should put that down here. This is your base. Yang bawah ni. Ni dipanggil base here. The base should be at bottom. Base here. Base. Okay, semua jangan dapat, ready ya? Jangan dapat. Okay, for this question, I give you a suggestion class. Please write the year. P, they're comparing 11 and 10. So I put 11 on top. I put 10 at bottom, times with 100. So this is how you regenerate your formula. So tahun 11 dan 10. Okay, kita masukkan dia punya nilai. So P11, 2011 will be 240. And divide by 2 ringgit times with 100. Guys, help me, berapa ni? 120. Okay, thank you. Boleh bang? Okay, that's how, guys. This is your price index. This is your index number. Okay, number 2, come. So no need to wait, guys. Straight away get start to do all. The price of the house that Aziz bought for the year 2011 is 2012. So 11 and 12, we have 2 years there, 11 and 12. So put I, 11 and 12, 12 ke atas, 11 dekat bawah. Times with 100. Okay. So 2012 berapa harga dia? 2012. Okay, 2012 is 100,000. 2011, 18,000. Times with 100. The answer, please, anyone? What's the answer? 125. Thank you. Okay, done. Okay, 120, 25. Okay, good. Now, number 3. So, kamu boleh teruskan saya kelas. Sebab belakang saja you akan stop so well. Okay, the price of the bottle of a box of washing detergent in the year 2011 11 and 12. So I 12, 11 times with 100. Okay, the price of 2012 is 920. 2011 is 8 ringgit times with 100. Answer please. Rubber.
115, sir.
115. Thank you. Okay, number 4. Okay, this one they talk about the packet of the coffee powder, 2010 and 2011. So 2000, I put 11 on top, 2010 at bottom. Times with 100. So the price of the 2011 is 750. 2010 is 6 ringgit. Answer? 1 to 5. Okay, done. So we can move on to next page. Okay, the price of the type of the fruits, fruit jam, 2009 base 2008. 2009 base 2008. They already mentioned 2008 as a base. 2009, 2008 times with 100. Okay, 2009, the price is, oh, no, sorry. Here they already mentioned for you here that price index is 110. 110. Okay, the price of 2008 is 350. That means price of 2009 you need to find for me. This is 350 times with 100. So price of 09 you need to find. I think you know how to do, right? Put in your calculator 110. Masuk calculator 110 times by 3.5 divide by 100. Tu sajalah. Tekan ni dulu, tekan macam ni. 110 first, tekan 110 dulu. Lepas tu pindah ni darab 3.5. Dan pindah ni bahagi 100. Tu sajalah, senang saja. You press 110 first, times with this one, divide with that one. Habis. What's the answer? $3.85. Thank you. So ada pelajar tanya lah, sir, do I need to put RM? Your wish lah, guys. You want to put RM or do you want to put RM is your wish. Not an issue at all. Okay. So number 6. Okay, the price index of the bottle of the syrup for the year 2012 base 2011. 2012 base 2011 times with 100. Okay, the index is already given as 130. Okay, which price is given? Price of 2. Oh, dia suruh cari calculate price of 2012. 11 is 5 ringgit. So what is your price of 12? $650. Thank you. Okay, done. So boleh faham kelas? Okay. 10, 12. Okay, I think I will settle for you the 7 here. Index. The price of the biscuit 2010 is 12 ringgit. The price of the index 2012 is 12 base 12. Okay, they are talking about 10 and 12, right? Okay. So P10 over P12 times with the P10. Okay, index yang dia sudah bagi. Index is 105. So price of 2010 was 12. Anyone? What's the value? Is that 1260? Okay, that. So how fast is this? Okay, I think from here now you have no problem, right, guys? Very fast only, right? You have no problem, right? No, huh? Okay, good. So I'm going to erase all this. I'm going to continue. Actually, this is the base. One of the easiest chapter class in entire what do you call Form 4. One of the easiest chapter actually. So that's why most of the teacher will settle this chapter. Actually, dalam tingkatan 4, kita ada beberapa chapter yang dianggap senang lah. So example is chapter 9, easy. After that, followed by chapter 9, and then chapter linear law. Linear law is linear law, and then they will go for equation, system of equation. Ini 4 ni dulu yang selalu ramai sekolah akan ajar. Okay, so I move on to the question number 8 class. Are you ready for 8? Okay, now I think 8. Read the question. I tell you something there for you. Okay, based on the year 2012, the index number of the biscuit A for the year 2014 is 116, and the based on the year 2014, the index number of the biscuit A is for 2016 is 120. Find the index number of the biscuit A for the 2016 base 2012. Okay. Now, when you read this type of questions, I give you a small suggestion. How to identify this question? Senang saja. You baca soalan ini kan? You baca soalan nombor 8, you baca. When you read the question number 8, okay, listen first, listen. When you read question number 8, right? Question number 8. Can you see there? There is a 3 years involved in that question. Now, all the previous question only 2 years involved, right? Soalan-soalan yang lepas ni 2 tahun saja terlibat. Example here, 11 and 12. Here is 8 and 9, right? But in question 8, there are 3 years involved. Faham tak faham? You understand what I'm trying to tell you? In that particular question 8, there is a 3 years involved. Ada 3 tahun terlibat, 3 years involved. Okay, whenever there is a 3 years involved, ada pelajar tanya dah, so can be 4 years? Look, saya kata, sabar dulu. Okay, normally in the exam, 3 years is a maximum. 3 years is a maximum. Faham? Kalau 4 years, they will separate the question into 2 portion. Okay. Now, dengar. So, 3 tahun. Okay, macam mana nak ajar kamu cara ni? Okay, soalan ini ada satu cara. I give you here. Kamu boleh guna cara ni. I think some of you already have a method from your school. Some teachers will use simultaneous. Some teachers will use elimination. Okay. I'm using a slightly different idea. Okay, so one element. These are 3 years involved. 1, 2, 3. I put 1, 2, 3. 3 years involved. Okay, 3 years. Okay, what do you have to do now? Listen. Okay, this one I put as a X. This one I put as a Y. And this one I put as a Z. Okay, kamu akan dapat bentuk ni saja. Jangan risau. You tak akan dapat bentuk apa. This is your shape. Okay, this is the shape that you akan dapat. You akan dapat bentuk ni saja. Okay, X, Y, Z. Okay. How to get Z is very simple. You take this X times with the Y, divide with 100, you'll get a Z. This is the formula. Semua dapat. Ini formula yang sudah fixed. X, you darab dengan Y. X darab dengan Y. X times with Y. You divide with 100, you will get the Z. That's all. Easiest way. This is one of the easiest way. You just label them, you can get the idea. Okay, come. I'll show you one question first here. Okay, come on. Okay. If you check this question, 12, we have 2012, 2014, and 2016. 12, 14, 16. So I'm going to put 12, 14, and 16. Itu soalan nombor 8 tau. Okay, 12, 14, and 16. Faham tak? You put in order. Daripada kecil ke besar, okay? Okay. I read the first question. Based on the year 2012, the index number for the biscuit A for the year 14 is 16. So base 2012 and 14. 12 and 14 is ni tengok ni. Letak jadi 116 habis. Okay. First one done. And on the base 2014 pula. And base 2014 and okay, and based on the 2014, the price index for the biscuit A for the year 16. So for the 14 and 16 pula sekarang, berapa? 14 and 16 dia sudah bagi 120. Okay, faham? Boleh faham ni? Okay. Ada satu lagi yang dia tak tanya. Ini dah kelas confirm, ini soalan dia. This is the question. Ini lah soalan dia. Confirm ini soalan dia. Memang diagram dia macam ni saja. Tak pernah berubah langsung sampai hari ni. Okay, kalau you baca dekat sana, find the index number of the biscuit A for year 16, for year 16 base 12. Habislah, ini yang dia suruh cari. Okay, now, can I do this for you? Can I do this for you? Okay, tengok index. Index. Okay, now I give you a suggestion. This one you try to do. It's very good for your solution. Tengok depan. This is my suggestion. Okay, kamu nak cari apa? 16 and 12, right? So you put like this, small 16, then you slash with the 12. So mungkin you fikir saya kenapa? Sebab dekat sini, dalam soalan ini ada banyak index. We have a lot of index. Index 14 and 12, index 16 and 14. Ada banyak index dalam soalan ini. So to make them clear, so this is the index of 16 and 12. There's 16 and 12. Faham? Okay, how to get this? Macam mana dapat benda? How to get the Z? How to get Z? Ambil dua-dua ni, darab, bagi 100, dapat ni terus habis. Take these two value, 116 times in 120, divide by 100, habis. Itu saja. Anybody got answer? Ambil dua-dua ni, darab, bagi 100. Divide, times and divide by 100. What do you get? 139.2. Habis. 139.2. Ni cara dia kelas. Ni cara yang paling senang lah. Kalau you nak rasa nak guna cara ni, boleh guna. Okay, some students they already learned this chapter in their school, so they have their idea, right? With your own idea. If you feel that this is easier, you can follow this. Faham? Okay. So just by drawing this 3 circle, you can get entire answer. Mana hilang pun you boleh cari. Faham? Macam mana hilang pun you boleh cari. Sometimes they will give you Z, they will give you Y, they ask you to find X. Also we can do. Just use this formula. Okay. Okay guys, come. Question number 9. Okay, jom. Soalan nombor 9. Okay, based on the 2009, the index number of the bottle of orange juice for the year 2010 and 11 is 115, 140. Okay, so I think we can do like this. Number 9. Apa dia? 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. 9, 10, 11. Okay. Sekarang dia kata apa? Base 2000. Okay, tengok ni. Saya tulis macam ni ya. Benda ni boleh lukis lah. Ni tak ada apa. Lukis saja benda ni. Okay. Base 2009. Base 2009. The price index for 2010 and 11. Base dia 9 to 10. 9 to 11. 9 to 10 is 115. 9 to 10. 9 to 11. 140. Kamu nampak dekat sana satu benda hilang. They going to ask you to find this. They're going to ask you to find this. Confirm. Saya tak baca lagi soalan. That's the question. Okay, find the price index for the 2011 base 2010. Nampak? Sebab circle ni saja. The entire questions till now, they will use this idea only. So can I put the I here? I put the I. Okay, I put I. So darab dua ni 115 times with the I, divide with the 100, you're going to get 140. Faham tak? Darab dua ni, bahagi 100, times these two, divide with the 100, you'll get the bottom one. So your I is what? So I can put I, 11 and 10, right? So I put 11 slash 10. Nampak lagi cantik sikit. So darab 100, divide by 115. What do you get? 140 times with 100 divide with 115. Berapa? Kenapa ada banyak jawapan? 12174. Thank you. 121.7. Boleh faham kelas? Since you orang boleh faham, do for me number 10. Come. Did you okay with this method, or this method easy, or how? Can understand this method? Actually, drawing is very easy for us actually. Rather than do verbally, you just draw, label, you can get the answer. I prefer a lot with something with the drawing. Easy for me to understand. Okay, thank you. Okay, come, number 10. The index number of the item R for the year 2019 based on the year 2016 is 120. The index number for the item for the year 2022 based on 2019 is 130. Find the index number for 2022 based 2016. So baca. You ada 3 tahun terlibat dekat sini. So what are the 3 years is 16, 19, 22. 16, 19, 22. Question number 10, huh? 16, 19, 22. Okay, 16, 19, 22. Okay, kita baca soalan sekarang. Okay, the index number for for the year 2019 base 60. 2019 60 any line 2019 16 is 120. The index number for the year 2020 base 2020 base 2019 any dot any 130. So they ask you to get this I mesti ini saja. Satu tu mesti akan hilang. Okay, find the index number of 2020 to base 60. So I put it like this, I 22/16 equals to darab dua ni bagi 100. 120 times with 130 divided by 100. So what do you get, class? 156. Thank you. Okay, boleh faham kan? Interesting, right? Okay, settle. Okay. So I'm going to do 11 and 12. Habis. 11 and 12. Come. So what's the time now? Time now. Okay. Pooja, can you print the module? You want me to send the module for you? If you want to use it now, I can send you. You can print for temporary purpose. You don't need to print the entire lah. You just print the depan belakang basic one. So next week maybe I can give you the okay. I send you now. I already sent to you already. Tengok you tak check pun langsung. Go and check. Question number 9. Listen. You see what you want to find now here? What do you want to find? You want to find I, right? You want to find I. Betul tak? You want to find I. So you in your calculator you put 140. You put 140. In your calculator you press 140. This one is the divide. Divide kalau pindah sebelah sana darab. And this one is darab. Pindah sebelah sana divide. Faham tak? Tekan ini dengan calculator lah. Apa ni? Budak kecil pula. You faham tak? Understand what I'm doing? You press 140, you times with 100 and divide with 115. Itu sajalah. Huh? So guys, in NMATS after this, what you have to do is you don't need to show them the inch by inch step. The important step is okay, the small one like this to get the value, you pindah sana pindah sini semua tak perlu. But you are wasting of time, right? So straight away can use calculator. So that's the most of them are doing. Okay, now if everybody okay, can I have the answer for X? What's the answer for X? Kalau semua dah dapat, saya senang. What's the answer of X? $560. Answer for Y? Y, 11. Answer for Z? Answer for Z. Z is 125. Okay. Now, so inilah kelas. Kalau you tak dapat, tolong beritahu saya. Benda ni paling mudah. You just going to use this formula. Okay, you just going to use this formula to get this answer X, Y, Z. Kalau semua dapat, I think I won't discuss. Don't waste our time, right? Better lah. We have a lot of important questions to discuss. So this is your answer for X, Y, Z. Check and see. Okay. Sir. Apa dia tu? YX. Kenapa ni? Kenapa pagi-pagi tak bangun daripada tidur lagi ke? Okay, you see X you look at this question I. The index kamu ada dua. Dia sudah bagi price of 12, price of 11 and times with 100. Okay, if you look at the first row of the X, the price of 2011 dia sudah bagi 2011 dia sudah bagi RM5. Index number is 112. Price of 12 they put it as X. Price of 12 they put it as X. Price of 11 they put it 5 there times with 100. So darab 112 darab 5 bagi 100. 112 darab 5 bagi 100 5.60. Hey guys, this is just a formula. You put everything into the formula, nak cari X, pindah semua ni. Pindah 5 selepas ni. Bahagi jadi darab, darab jadi bahagi. Tekan calculator. Faham? 3 orang tanya soalan ni. Faham tak? Yang tanya tu kat saya. Now, once you ask me a question, see, after I explain, please respond to me. So, jangan dulu diam. This X, do you understand or not understand? Siapa ni? Okay. Guys, ready for this question? Last question. I need to go to the composite index. Come. Okay. The price of the material B. The price of the material B. Listen first. The price of the material B increased by 22% from the year 2018 and 2016. 18 and 16. Okay, saya baca balik untuk kamu. The price, dengar perkataan ni, the price of the material B increased by 22% In the year 2018 base 2016. Okay, index B. Tengok ni, semua tengok ni. B, ini B tau. Ini B, and 2018 base 16 is this. They are talking about this now. Dia kata apa kelas? Apa dia kata kita? Dia kata increased 22%. Okay, tolong dengar. Ramai orang tak faham benda ni. Okay, kalau dia kata increase 22%, habislah cerita kita. Your N is 122. Habis. Faham tak? Your N is 122. Habis tu jawapan dia. Kelas, when you talk about index, index selalunya 100%. 100% means unchanged. 100% means unchanged. Unchanged maksudnya dia tak berubah. Always 100%. Kalau saya kata decrease, you ambil 100, you tolak berapa dia decrease. Kalau saya kata increase, ambil 100, you plus. You faham tak? Sekarang dia kata increased. Kalau increase, you berapa dia kata increase? 22 kan? Dia kata increase 22, right? So ambil 100 plus with the 22, you get 122. Boleh faham tak? So that is the meaning of increase 22%. Increase maksud dia, ambil 100 tambah yang increase, you akan dapat dia punya jawapan. Kalau dia kata decrease, ambil 100, tolak apa yang decrease, you akan dapat dia punya index. Boleh faham? Boleh? Okay, your next one. The price of the material A for the year 2016 was 5 ringgit, and in the year 2020 is 650. Find the value of MN. Okay, kita sudah cari satu dah. Okay. Dia kata untuk material A pula, material A, we go to the material A, their price of 16. P16, berapa harga dia? 5 ringgit. And then P20 is 6.5. Okay. So 16 and 20 is here. Nampak 16 and 20 is here. So that means this is the index, right? This is the index. So kalau you nak cari index ni, you boleh guna harga ni. Tengok ni. Okay, tengok I P16, P20 atas 20 lah. Bawah 16 times with 100, right? Okay. The price of 20 is 6.5 over 5 ringgit times with 100. So berapa? 1 to 1. Okay, you get 1 to 1. So ini adalah index for 16 and 20. That 16 and 20 is here, M. So M mana? Habis. Itu jawapan dia. Boleh faham? Habis. Okay, are you okay now? So this is your index number. Ready? Settle. Okay, good. Come. So can I erase this? I'm going to erase, huh? Okay, huh? Okay, guys, your second agenda apa yang kita nak belajar sekarang adalah last portion. Okay, is also index number. Kita nak belajar index number. Tapi index number ni bukan normal index number. It's a combination of few index number. Okay, so macam mana saya nak beritahu kamu? Okay, dengar dulu. Benda ni is interesting kalau you faham dengan jelas tau. Okay, example, I'll give you one example. This is egg. This is egg. Ini adalah telur ayam, egg. Okay, now let us talk about egg first. Bincang tentang egg dulu. Okay, this egg is not manufacturing. Siapa pun tak manufacture egg. Egg datang terus daripada ayam. So egg will have index. Index. Right? Index. Kenapa? Mungkin ada pelajar tanya, saya kenapa egg ada index? Kalau barang yang ada harga, if any item with the price, sure will have index. That's all. Simple concept. Kalau barang tu free, tak ada index lah. Okay, faham? Okay, so egg will have index. Understand? Egg will have index. Okay, and maybe what else I can say? Anything guys yang dapat terus macam tu? Anything you can see like a sayur-sayuran, right? All the vegetables, tomato, all this you can get it direct, right? Milk, okay, milk, coconut, okay, good. Milk, coconut, all this is you have index. Semuanya ada index. Tapi when you talk about cake, you talk about cake. You know cake, right? You know cake, right? You talk about cake. You talk about cake. Okay, tak boleh kata cake lah, nanti kata cylinder. So I think I need to put the candle. Kalau ada candle, baru dia cake lah. Okay, this is the cake. Cake. Okay, cake. When you talk about cake tak akan ada index. Cake tak akan ada index. Okay, mungkin pelajar fikir, so why? Cake tak ada harga ke? Ada harga. But we won't call index, we will call composite index. Index, I juga, sama juga I, but we put on dash on top. This is composite index. So mungkin fikir, so how come? Okay, telur ayam is index, but cake is composite index. Kenapa? Sebab cake ni bukan lahir jadi cake. Dia datang daripada banyak materials, banyak bahan. So to get the cake, you need to put all the ingredients. You kena masukkan banyak ingredients, baru boleh dapat cake. Betul tak? Baru boleh dapat cake. You need to put all the ingredients, like a telur ayam pun ada dalam sini. The egg also will be inside cake. Got few items there, like flour, right? Tepung. You have tepung, you have sugar, you have a lot of things, right? Planta, all this, right? So when you put everything inside here, then when you combine, it's become the cake. So when you combine any items, we won't say index, we will say composite index. Boleh faham tak? Okay, dengar. Jangan keliru tau. Ini masih lagi index. This is still index. This is still index. You can take this index, you can use it, this formula inside here. Index formula, you still can use this. Boleh faham tak boleh faham? The only thing is, to find this index, we need to combine all these items. Combine sekali, jadi baru muncul ni. Boleh faham tak? Baru boleh muncul tu. Index, composite index kita panggil. Composite index. That means we will combine few items to get this one index. Boleh faham? Okay. And this one is very important, you know. Why, you know? Kalau harga telur tu berubah, automatically composite index pun berubah. So sebab kalau harga telur berubah, if the price of the egg change, immediately the price of the cake will be increased. Sebab tu kamu boleh tengok dekat sana, tiba-tiba kalau tepung gandum naik harga, cake pun naik harga. Faham? You faham kan all these logics? So kalau tiba-tiba ada pelajar kata, sir, harga petrol naik, kenapa harga kek naik, sir? Adakah dalam ini ada bahan? Ada pelajar kan tanya saya satu soalan ni, pernah orang tanya, sir, harga petrol naik, kenapa harga kek naik? Mana ada bahan dalam kek, sir, petrol? It's not the petrol. Petrol is not inside the cake. It's inside this egg. To do a transportation for this egg, to transport the egg, you need a transportation. For the transportation purpose, you need the petrol. So kalau harga transportation naik, automatically bahan pun akan naik harga. So the cake, egg will increase the price. The flour also increase the price. Automatically, all these increase, immediately the cake also will become increased. Faham? So the index number is very good to calculate the fluctuating of the other items. So kalau benda ni naik, ini pun naik. Macam itulah kelas. So boleh faham, So this is a strategy that we're going to use now. Sekarang kita nak cari indeks juga. Kita nak cari indeks, tapi kita nak cari indeks untuk macam kek. Ada banyak kas. Dalam dunia ni ada banyak bahan yang bergabung. Example your calculator. Calculator ni composite index. Not index, composite index. Sebab dia gabungan banyak. Kalau ditanya saya apa tu banyak, saya calculator saja. Banyak. Okay. The casing is a plastic casing. The casing is a plastic, so maybe sent by a plastic company. Okay, the knob also plastic, sent by a plastic company. The screen is a glass, sent by the glass company. Inside got motherboard. Motherboard is actually the electronic company. So dia akan hantar. Dalamnya ada batteries. Bateri pula dihantar oleh syarikat bateri. So banyak benda gabung dalam ni baru muncul calculator. Faham? Faham tak? So the calculator is composite index. Not index, composite index. Egg index. Faham? So benda-benda index, sir. Okay, can. Okay, so now we're going to do a composite index now. Okay, ready? Okay, so I think I will give you a table there. Kalau dekat online class, sorry, face-to-face class, I think I can project for you this. Okay, guys, this is the item A, B, C, D. So this is index number. Okay, W is a weightage. Kita panggil weightage. So weightage tu you tak perlu risau, dia akan bagi dah answer. So W tu you tak perlu risau, dia akan bagi. Okay, guys, the formula of composite index. The formula of composite index this. Hang on, man. Ni saya kasi lah. The composite index, ni dia. There's a dash on top. Sigma IW over sigma W. So ini composite index. Okay, jom. Okay, saya nak buat apa? Saya nak dapatkan IW. Okay, the meaning of IW, ambil I dengan W, darab, lepas ni. Faham? So 345 darab 600 darab 630 darab ni berapa? 780. Faham? Okay. So dia punya formula macam ni. Sigma IW over sigma W. Guys, sigma tu adalah total tau. Sigma tu adalah total. So dia minta total of IW. Total of IW. Semua ambil ni, total dia masuk atas. Sigma of W means total of W masuk bawah. So it's 345 plus 600 plus 630 plus 780. So you dapat 2355 over total of W. Total of W is 6620. So berapa? 2355 divided by 20. I get 117.75. Class, did you understand the method and I'm doing here? Any problem?
No, sir.
No problem, huh? So if you have no problem, can you make it fast? Okay, you can settle for me question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 4 can do already. 1, 2, 3. 1 already done. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can start to do for me. Okay. So maybe I will discuss 5, 6, 7. The rest of the question I will discuss for you. Sir, do we have to write the formula first whenever we do the question? Okay, formula, as I told you yesterday during the KPA class, formula is not important. The substitution is important. Now, formula you tulis tak ada markah. You write formula is no marks given for the formula. No marks for formula. But you will given marks when you start to substitute the correct value. You substitute the correct value inside the formula, but you akan dapat markah. So that means formula is not important. But here, why we will encourage you to write a formula for you to substitute correctly. That's the reason. Faham tak? Tu saja, tak apa. So you write formula in substitute is look more clean. Nothing else. So if you never write the formula, you directly do also, we will give you full mark. Understand? That is not issue. Okay, guys, settle for me until 4, please. Then anybody wants done, let me give me the answer. So I will put your answer here. Sir, the formula will be given in exam or not? This formula dia akan bagi lagi. This formula will be given. Okay, this formula will be given in exam. Okay, guys, question 2 is 110. So do we have to change the value if it's percentage? No, no need to change anything. No need to change anything. Percentage, guys. Your weightage can be percentage, can be angle, can be anything. You don't need to do anything. No need to change anything. No need to simplify anything. You found that? Just use it. Just use it. Guna saja. Now, what's the answer for 3, guys? 111.6. Betul ke? 111.6. Did you get 111.6? 111.6. Yes. Okay, good. What's the answer for number 4? Anybody got answer number 4? Number 4. 113.5. Now, please double check class 2, 3, 4. Any doubt? So, yesterday gave our class question 2. Okay, you asked before the class end, around maybe around later, update me around 12 o'clock. I will explain to you. Okay. Kenapa ni? Ada 2 jawapan yang lain. Roshan dapat lain, ada orang dapat lain. What's the answer for question number 4? Number 4. Okay, number 4. Okay, index already given there. Index is 110, 1 to 5, 110, and 115. Okay, weightage dia tak bagi, IW pun tak ada. Okay, class, weightage you have to take from the weightage you have to take from the angle. You see the angle, I give you a pie chart, right? The pie chart is your angle. Example, if you look at your angle A is 108. 108. Betul tak? And if you look at the B is not given. So since B is not given, one round of pie chart is 360. So I'm going to take 360 minus 108 minus 36 minus 144. I get 72. So B is 72. C is 144. And your D is 36. Apa you punya problem class? Darab saja lah. Ambil ni darab masuk sini. Okay, 110 times with the 108. You get 11880. Okay, 125 times with 72. 9,000. You have a calculator class. 110 times with 144. You get 15840. 115 times with 36. 115 times with 36. 115 36. 4140. Okay. Index, compose index. Sigma IW. Sigma IW means total audits masuk atas. 11880 plus 9,000 plus 15840 plus 4140 40860 divide by this total of weightage is 360. I need to know the total because pie chart when total is 360. Divide by 360. You get 113.5. 113.5. Betul lah? Faham tak faham? So I got 113.5 for question 4. Betul lah? For question 4, 113.5 betul? Deh. Boleh faham? Guys, that's why I say the weightage can come in any form. The weightage can be in any form. Percentage. They give you pie chart. Inside pie chart, you can take the angle. Sometimes they give you bar chart. From the bar chart, you take the reading of the bar chart, is become the weightage. Ratio also can be the weightage. So many things they can come out with the weightage. Boleh faham? Boleh tak boleh? Boleh ya? Okay, come. I'm going to do the 5, 6, all this. Okay. So I will start with the 5 and 6. You do the rest for me, okay? Now, 5, 6, what is the problem is this one. Can you see the problem? The P. Now, nampak tak ni benda ni? Nampak tak? P dia tak bagi. You kena cari ni P. Okay. Class, are you ready? For question number 5? Okay. For question number 5, if you read the question number 5, composite index already given. Composite index is 1 for 1. Ni. Composite index is given 1 for 1. Dia sudah bagi. Kita bukan nak cari composite index, kita nak cari P yang ni. Okay, as usual, kita buat benda yang sama. Ambil index dan dengan weightage. Ambil ni darab lah, dapat ni. 300, 10, 50, betul. Okay. P times with 8 is 8P, you know, 8P. Faham tak, Pak? Siapa tak faham, beritahu sir. So, ambil ni, ambil darab saja, darab. Faham, dapat ni. Okay. So, now, do you remember? The sigma IW bahagi dengan yang tepi ni. So, I'm going to get the total of this. 650 plus 1050 plus 240. So, I will get 1940 plus 8P. Siapa yang tak faham ni? When you total all this is the value that you got. Ni nilai you dapat. When you total all this is the value. Over the weightage. Bahagi weightage. Weightage kamu yang ni. Weightage is 22. 10, 17, 22. Faham tak? Total of this, ni total dia ni. Total of this. And total of this is this. Faham tak? Okay, total dia atas, total dia ni ke bawah. And must equals to 1 for 1. So 1940 plus 8P. Okay, 1 for 1 times with 22. 3102. Minus by 1940. 1162. So your P is Okay, guys, double check for me. Is that P correct? What's your P? Got it, guys? Same. I got the same thing also. It's the same thing. Okay, thank you.
Same, sir.
Same, okay, thank you. So, boleh faham tak apa yang saya buat? Okay, you can use the same idea for question number 6. So, pelajar tak faham, I can go one more round for the question 6. So, you have to take the index darah dengan weightage to get IW. So, it's 330 2x because x times 2 is 2x. We're going to find this x now. Kita cari x ni. And then 120 times 6 would be 720. And this one is 460. Okay. So this one, the composite index given berapa ni? Soalan 6. When you go to question 6, the composite index given is 118. Hey guys, the x that I managed to get is 130. Check. For question 6, I got 130. Yes, correct. Okay, come. Do the rest of the question for me. Try to continue doing until 11. Habis. So then I give you a break like yesterday. Around 10 minutes for you, take a break. And after that, we continue. Then we complete the examples, the exercise. So it's 5 and 6 done. We can try 7. Okay, saya already managed to get this value, right? So what I'm going to do, I just leave it here easy for you. So saya letak sini. Okay, dia punya sigma W. Total all this 9, 12. So it's n plus 12. No, no. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, 7 and 5. Yes, 12, right. Sigma IW. tengok. Kamu faham tak faham apa yang saya buat? You know what I did, you know? This is the sigma W. And this is sigma IW. This one I took it from here. Ini saya dapat dari sini. Tengok betul-betul. Okay. So kita punya soalan composite index berapa dia bagi? Soalan nombor 7. Composite index is 125. Okay, atas sigma IW that is 120N plus 1540 over N plus 12 equals to 125. Okay, siapa yang tak faham ni tolong beritahu saya. You check, see what I did. Okay, you see hope that you understand what I'm doing here. Okay, the table should be no problem for you. I just take this one times here. Darab, masuk sini, darab, masuk sini, darab, masuk sini, right? All these times you put it here. Okay, you total the W, then you got sigma W. When you total the W, you will get sigma W. That is 5, 4, 3 is 12. N plus 12. The total is N plus 12. Settled. So any pula you darab, the numbers I take 650, 440, and 450, I get 1540. This 120 N I put it separately. Faham? So actually we cannot do anything with the N. After that, the index number given is 125, right? Okay, so what is the formula? Atas sigma IW, bawah sigma W equals to the index, composite index. So inilah sigma IW I put on top and sigma W I put at the bottom and equals to 125. So this 12 plus N bawah sebelah sana darab kan? Darab, right? So 12 N times 125 is 125 N. 12 times 125 is 1500. Okay, so what I did, I bring the 1500 over here. You nampak dekat sini? 1540. You bring the 1500 here will be minus. So 1540 minus 1500, you'll get 40. This 120 bawah sebelah sana. Because N and N one side. So 125 minus 20, you'll get 5N. So divide 40 divided by 5 is 8. Dapat tak kelas jawapan ni? Did you manage to get this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good. Thank you. The word yes is motivating me. That's not nothing else. Okay. So guys. So come do for me 8, 9, 10, 11. Come. One question, 2 minutes. I think you can complete. 4 soalan.
Sir, what about 9?
9, why? Why? No answer. Okay, we do 9. Ada kawan kamu minta 9. So since you asked me 9, what's the answer for 8?
Not
P
sure.
equals to 2, sir.
Come again?
P equals to 2.
P is equals to 2. So
Yeah.
after that 2, the message. Thank you. So after 7, 8, 8 P is 2. Ramai kawan kamu bagi 2. Wait, okay. Actually, class, the X you can find first. You look at the question, inside the question got X. Okay, apa yang dikatakan sana? Nampak tak dia sudah bagi dua harga untuk item P. For the item P, you already have the price. You read the question, I think you can get the idea already. For item P there. Item P, right? For item P, given that the price for the P for 2010. Berapa? 2010, 48. And 2011 is 5520. So for the item B, we already have this information. What we can do the index number, the index number I. P11 over P10 times 800. Okay, the index for the item P is X, you know. The index you can label as X.
So the X equals to 115.
115. Okay, good.
Y equals to 2.
Y is equals to 2. Your friend say 115. So you can straight away update here with 115. Padam ya, saya letak 115. Okay, I put X here. Okay, jom. So we already managed to get the X. We already managed to get X. Jom kita darab. 460. Okay, ini semua darab dengan ini tau. 110 times into 7, 110 times into 1. So it's 770 minus 110 Y. Ini pun darab dengan 110, ini pun darab dengan 110 dapat macam ni. Ini akan dapat 150 Y get 130. Memang. Okay, saya nak buat ini dulu lah kalau kita faham ni. Ini sigma W. So I'm going to plus 4 plus 7 minus Y plus Y plus 1. Semua ni saya plus. Y dengan Y bilang. 11, 12. Dapat 12. Nampak? Dapat 12. This is sigma W. Okay, for sigma IW pula. Actually, easy way, I take a calculator, I can plus all the number. Number, this one, this one, this one. Nee, number means this one, this one, this one, and this one. This is a number. You can plus, come and show you how to plus. Take 460 plus 770 and then plus 130. 460, 770, 130 is 1360. And then these two can be plus. This is negative 110 plus 150. Negative 110 plus 150, you'll get 41. Nah, siapa yang tak faham beritahu saya, jangan duduk diam. Numbers, all the numbers. Ini number. All this number can plus, I get 1360. And this is the Y, negative 110Y and 150Y. Dua ni saya tambah dapat 40Y. So I'm going to, okay, they already mentioned here, for question number 7, they already mentioned, where's my so, not question 7, right? I say question number 9. So they already mentioned index number is 120. Sorry, composite index 120. Composite index ni 120. So I sigma IW is 1360 plus 40Y over 12 equals 120. Yes, correct. Why do? Why do? Betul. So double check, guys. Now, what is the answer for question number 8 just now? Soalan nombor 8, berapa? 7 kan? P7. Semua dapat? 2. Soalan nombor 8, 8. 2. Okay, good. Soalan nombor 8, P kamu, the value of the P, right? The value of the P is 2. And question number 9, the value of the Y also 2. Faham? So, soalan nombor 8. 8 tadi, you punya P 2. Sekarang soalan nombor 9, Y kamu pun 2. Okay, got it. Okay, guys, do for me number 10. Ada lagi 2, 10 and 11. Habis. Then I give you a break faster. 10 and 11. Tom yum, fried rice, bandung, soup, aduh. 11B. Okay. Actually 11B simple saja lah. Tak apa, nanti saya explain kat kamu. 2.14 salah. Prasan, right? Prasan, take a photo and send me what you do. What you did. I want to see your answer. Your solution. Send me. Okay. Now I think two of you already sent you the reply in the Telegram. Double check. I saw your mistake, guys. Okay. Okay, what is the X for question number 10, guys? What is the X for question number 10?
5, sir.
5, yes, correct. Semua dapat kan? 5?
Yeah.
Yes. So many yes. Okay, good. I will do for you 11. 11 is not a difficult class. Guys, if you can do 10, 11 is nothing. 11 is actually nothing. Cuma satu benda you tak faham. Itu saja. So that's the reason I'm giving you this question there. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the composite of this is the composite index for 22 and 80. So can I put here 22/18? Tak salah tau. Okay, sama lah, tak ada apa, semua indication saja. 22, 80. Okay, dengar tahu? Dengar betul. Okay, what is the total IW?
1 to 1.5.
1 to 15. Thank you. And this one will be what? 10. Okay, your composite index is 121.5. Okay, semua boleh faham ni? Okay, did you all understand this? Okay, right? Okay, good. Now, guys, can you stop for a while and listen slowly? Nothing. Listen first. Okay, if the electronic component is sold at the price of 620 in the year 2018, calculate the selling price of 2022. Okay, semua tolong dengar. Okay, kamu ada berapa banyak formula? In this chapter, got only 3 formula, betul tak? Not say 3. There's one formula I did for you, right? The X times Y divided by 100 equals to Z. That one I did for you, that formula. So formula tu sebenarnya tak wujud dalam exam, tak wujud dalam your textbook. So sepatutnya dalam chapter ni ada 2 formula saja. 2 formula saja dalam chapter ni. Satu adalah this formula. The I P0 P1 over P0 times with 100. So this is the formula. This is the first formula. Your second formula is composite index, which is sigma IW over sigma W. This is the second formula. Faham tak? Kamu ada 2 formula saja. You have only got 2 formula. Okay. This question, they talk about the price. Talk about the price. Now, which formula you think you need to use for the price purpose? Yang atas. Betul tak? Kan yang atas ni. Jadi, ini soalan A settle. Soalan B, I'm going to use I, P. So, this one is a comparison of 18 and 22 and 18, right? 22 and 18, right? I is a number. Okay, class, dengar betul-betul. Tadi, saya ada beritahu kamu satu benda. You tahu apa dia? I told you composite index is actually index. Saya tak tahu berapa orang sedar benda tu. Composite index is actually is an index, but it's a combination of few items. That's why we call it composite index. But it's an index, still index. Faham? So the composite index, that one 1 to 1.5, still can be used here. Still same. Index also what? Index also. So is 1 to 1.5. The price of 2022, they ask you to find. Ini yang disuruh cari. And the price of 18 is 620. Faham tak? The price of, okay, 1 to 1.5 times it 620 and divide by 100. So dapat 753.30. Dapat jawapan ni. Ini jawapan dia. So jadi tolong dengar, your composite index is actually index. Your composite index still index can be used here. Can be used inside this formula. Understand or not? Composite index still index can be used here. Faham? So this is one of the important question came out in exam. Every year will be there. Boleh faham? Okay. So time 10:40. 10 minutes break guys. 10:50 masuk balik. 10:50 semua masuk balik. 10 minutes. Go and take you want to go washroom, you want to go to anywhere, go. Come back in within 10 minutes. Want to go and makan breakfast or want to make a coffee or tea. Do it whatever you want to do. Stretch yourself. Okay, I know you are sitting there, maybe back pain or what. Stretch yourself. Okay. I see you after, not after, 11:50. Thank you guys. See you later. Tak perlu sign off lah kelas. Tak perlu nak keluar. Kenapa nak keluar? So biarkan you pergi dan you datang balik. Okay, bye-bye. So sudah makan ke breakfast? Settle early in the morning, 8 o'clock done. Not 8 o'clock, 8:30 done. The move a bit. I don't know, sir. Sir, can I get the K5 class recording? The K5 class recording will help me a lot means you kena datang kelas. Bukan tak datang kelas. See? Assume that I'm doing this class face to face means what will happen? You going to ask me recording? Sebenarnya kelas, saya satu cikgu yang betul-betul pantang dengan the word recording, Sampai hari ni saya pun tak tahu. Because saya lagi busy daripada kamu. Lagi busy. Extremely busy. You don't know about myself. I rush from there and here, come back home, immediately do the class. Macam mana pun saya akan buat. Okay? So if I stuck in very important things like the day I went out, stuck in the jam. So I told them I will do in the morning. I already done ready. Early in the morning, I already done my class. So effort is important, Effort is very, very, very important. You get something very simple, you won't value that thing. Understand? The thing is, benda tu you kena dapat dengan susah, baru you akan value dia. You tanya macam ni recording. Saya pun, that's why I say I have no words for recording this things of recording. Alright, the question number 2, the question C, right? You wait before the class end, I will explain to you. I don't know whether it's correct or not, but later I will explain to you. Okay. So good. Do your coffee or whatever, and come back at 10:50, right? Okay. So I never get the correct answer for question number 10. You send me your solution, I check for you. Send me your question, your answer. You snap the photo and send me to Telegram. Guys, is that everybody back? Tadi ada 84 orang, 5 orang sudah hilang. Wait. One minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. I'm checking one question here. One answer here, sorry. Okay, guys. Rui. Berapa kali saya kena beritahu kamu benda ni? So class, the question two yesterday, what I told you, I will tell you after before the class, this class finish, right? Aduh, kamu ni. Faham tak bahasa saya? Before the class finish, I will give you the answer. Okay? Sudah 4 kali saya sudah beritahu kamu benda ni. Let us settle this index number first, guys. Okay? Okay, come. Guys, we're going to start to do a past question. Okay, I start with one of the easy question for you guys. Very easy questions. Okay, very easy question. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do question number 1. Easy one, very easy one. Okay, come. Start first for me, question number 1. Okay, for question number 1, what I'm going to do there, I'm going to create my formula first. Price of 4, price of 1 times with 100. Okay? So come. Okay, first question, they're going to find the X. Okay, go. Kita start dengan soalan A dulu. So index is X. The price of 4 is 1 ringgit. The price of 2001 is 80 cents. times with 100. So what is the X class?
125.
125. Thank you. Okay, so second one is to get the Y. So Y, the same thing, guys. Y is this index is 140. 2004 is on top is Y. And 2001 is 2 ringgit times with 100. Anybody can give me the Y? Take 140 times by 2, 280. Okay, the third one is the Z. So Z will be here. Z will be here. So the index is 80. The price is 40 over Z times 800. So what's the Z? Ini senang saja. Z you bring on top, 80 turun bawah. The 80 will go down. Z will go up, 80 will turun bawah. So you will get 0.40 over 80 times 100. What do you get?
0.5.
0.5. Okay.
50.
Okay, settle class. Okay, this is your entire answer for XYZ. Done. So this is a basic question class. Exam, ini cara soalan dia. Actually, this is a real exam question, but very old exam question. Very old exam question. Mungkin tak lahir kot. Mungkin tak lahir. I think 2001 exam. This is a 2001, if not mistaken. A very old exam question. This is a very old. Almost how many years? 24 years exam paper, this one. A question, sorry. Okay, done, guys? Done, huh? Okay, we move on to next. No, this is 2004. Sorry, this is 2004 question. 2004, sorry. Okay, second one, calculate the composite index. Calculate the composite index. So you want to use composite, you want to do composite index with your own idea, anything up to you guys. Saya lebih suka buat table. Saya cepat-cepat suka buat table saja lah. Because I think table is very easy for me. So I will always go for my table, but very fast one. Table tak perlu cantik lah, plus. So ada 4. You want to do without table also can. The index and W, and this is IW. The index semua ada kat sana. X kamu berapa? What's your X? X is 125. Y is, as a Q is 140. This one 150. This one is 80. Okay, the weightage refer to the pie chart. Okay, P is not given there, so I'm going to take my calculator. 360 minus 140 minus 150 minus 80. Down. So take 360 minus 140 minus 150 minus 80. So you, okay, correct. Sorry. 360 minus 120 minus 100 minus 60. Saya pergi minus index pula. So this is 80. Q is 120. And R is 100. And S is 60. $10,000. $16,800. So 15000 4800. So composite the class. Composite class. Can I put my composite like this? I put 4/01. Okay, you buat macam ni lagi bagus sebenarnya. Okay, total of sigma IW 10,000, 16,800, 10,000, 16,800, 15,000, and 4800. 46,600, divide by 360. One to 9.4. Apa jawapan ni? 1 to 9.4. Okay, so I already managed to get the answer for that. Okay, calculate the corresponding cost. Guys, they use the word cost. Cost is actually involving price, right? Cost is a price, right? Cost is a price, kan? Cost is a price. So I can go back to the question here. I can go to this P04 slash P01 times 100. Okay, kalau you rasa. Guys, do you got this answer 1 to 9.4? You want to put 4 also can, no problem. Is that your answer same with my answer? Yes, okay. Now can I give you an idea first? Now the question 2, they ask for the cost. Now can you see my formula here? Index is price 04 divided by price 01 times 100. You don't like the word price, you can change to cost, no problem. This P you can change to C. You can change to C, no problem class, no problem. So now you can read very clear. Cost of 04 divided by cost of 01 times 100. The index is the same. The index I'm going to use the composite index. So 1 to 9.4. Okay, what is the cost of 04? Oh, dia minta. Okay, 04 dia sudah bagi 2985. 2985. 04 is 2985. Dia minta cari cost 01. Okay, ini tukar tempat lah kelas. Faham? So tukar tempat you get one. You get like this. I write for you. You tukar tempat dia akan macam ni. This answer 2306.80. So simple, very, very simple question. Okay, got it. Sir, I got 2306.10. Why do you use 1 to 9.44? Is it your composite index is 1 to 9.44? That should be fine, no problem. There should be no problem. Okay, class. Now let us do number 2 together. Let us do number 2 together. Okay, I put I here because in your table there's no I, but I put it I for myself. Okay. So this is the 5 ringgit. This is 250. This is X 4. Okay, ready guys? Okay, the index number for the ingredient P. They're talking about index number for the P is 120. So can I put it here 120? So dia suruh cari W lah. So soalan pertama senang saja kelas. Index P05 over P04 times with 100. So index given as 120, sudah dia bagi 120. Price of 05 is W. Price of 04 is 5 ringgit. Times with 100. So guys, can anybody tell me what's a W?
W equals to 6, sir.
6 ringgit, thank you. Okay, settle. Okay. The index number for R for 2005 base 2004 is 125 R. So this is R is 125. Okay. Okay, now ready? Kita baca ni. Okay, the index number for ingredient R for the year 2005 based on 2004 is 125. The price per kg of the ingredient R in year 2005 is 2 ringgit, more than the corresponding price in year 2004. Calculate the value of the X and Y. How? Any idea? Do you want to try? You want me to give you time for you to try, or 1 or 2 minutes for you to think and try?
Can, sir.
Can. Okay, come, do. Not so difficult, guys. Okay, want to try? Okay, good. Come, I'll give you 2 minutes for you to try. Okay, the 4 people who send me message, I already reply, guys. Where is your correct? Where is your mistake? I already put a circle for you. Okay, ada 2 orang bagi saya jawapan. You think I'm correct? Perfect. Good. Okay, apa ni? Rohan? Siapa pula Rohan tiba-tiba? Rohan ke Roshan? Rohan pula. Rina, right? Rina, perfect. Good. Perfect. Lagi? So ada yang 4 orang sudah dapat jawapan tau. Okay. So wrong. Okay. Rohit, correct. Sweta, double check again. Something wrong. Okay. So now, I think I can give you the answer, guys. Okay, come. I tell you the idea first. Come, I show you the idea. Okay. So are you ready, guys, to know the idea? Okay, kalau dah tak boleh buat, tak apa. Don't worry. Kalau yang dah habis pun, no worries. Okay. So when I start to explain, give attention here. Okay, tengok ni. So apa yang dia kata, dengar betul-betul. The question I try to read for you and give you in a simple way. Okay, saya baca ayat kedua tau. The price per kg of the ingredient R in year 2005 is RM2 more than the year 2000, the corresponding year 2004. Okay, maksud dia harga dekat sini RM2 lebih. Dengar betul-betul, harga dekat sini RM2 lebih. So what I'm going to do, tengok depan, saya nak buat apa ni, you tengok dulu. So dia kata harga dekat sini RM2 lebih. Okay, katakan dekat sini RM4, sini RM6 dah, sebab nampak RM2 lebih. Kalau 4, sini 6. Kalau sini 10, sini 12. Faham tak? RM2 lebih, always RM2 more. Okay, what I'm going to do now here, to make you easy to understand, dengar dulu. Sebuang ni. Dia kata apa? Dia kata RM2 lebih. So harga 2004 X, RM2 lebih adalah X plus 2. Boleh tak? Siapa yang tak faham ni? Do you understand this X plus 2? Faham tak kelas X plus 2? Faham? X plus 2. Okay, sekarang I'm going to use the formula. The formula, same formula. P05 over P04 times 800. Okay, index kamu adalah 125. Price of 05 is X plus 2. Price of 04 is X times 800. Okay, saya nak bawa ni sebelah sini, darab. So I get 125X. Semua ni berdarah dengan 100. Ini semua darah dengan 100. So 100X 200. Siapa yang tak faham ni? Ini X saya sudah pindah 125X. 100 ni darab masuk sini. Sini pun darab 100, darab 100. So I'm going to bring this 100 here, will be minus. I will get 25X. Will be 200. You bahagi, you akan dapat 8. X kamu 8. X kamu 8. So sini 8. Sini 8 tambah 2. 8 plus 2. What is 8 plus 2? 10. What is the value here just now? Here is a Y, right? So Y is a 10. Siapa yang tak faham atau blur lagi? Beritahu saya. Faham tak sekarang? Boleh faham tak? Dia kata apa kan kita? Dia kata the price of 2005 is RM2 more. RM2 lebih. RM2 lebih. So that means this one is X means this one is X plus 2. RM2 lebih. X plus 2. So saya buang Y, saya letak X plus 2. So because everything by X means easy for us to calculate. So I'm using the price index formula. The P05 is X plus 2. Ini over X times 125. So ini darah sebelah sini 125X. Semua ni darah dengan 100. 100X, 200. So bawah sini minus, you get 25X. Divide, you get 8. So kalau ini 8, RM2 lebih, 10. Boleh bang? Can right? Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, come next. Okay, your next one is said. Okay. The composite index. Oh, composite index dia sudah bagi. One to 7.5. Okay, 1 to 7.5. Composite index. Okay, guys, you read the question number B1. Sorry, C1. Sir, the composite index no need 2 times 100, right? Huh? Woi, kenapa tiba-tiba? Ishman nak kena dengan saya lah. Tiba-tiba terus jadi. When what is the formula of composite index? What is the formula of composite index? Sigma IW over sigma W itu saja. Why suddenly got 100 there? Okay, now question 1, C1. The price of the cake. Now, they use the word price. When talk about price, you have to go to this formula. P05 over P04 times with 100. Okay, the index, you can use the composite because class, because in this question, they are talking about cake. They're talking about cake. When they talk about cake, you have to use the composite index. Class, baru tadi saya kata, cake, dia ada index, tapi dia kita pun tak akan pakai index, kita akan pakai composite index. But the composite index is the same as index. Faham? Sebenarnya dua-dua sama saja. You jangan keliru. So here the index, I'm going to use the composite index here. 127.5. Okay, price of berapa dia suruh cari? Price of 04. So 05 dia sudah bagi. 05 harga dia adalah 3060. Price of 04 kita nak cari sekarang dalam yang 100. Can anybody help me with the value? 24 ringgit.
So equals to form 24.
24, huh? Thank you. Okay, done. Okay, we're going to do number 2 now. Okay. Now, did you see or not? They give you a ratio there. 3M, 7, 3M and 2. Did you see the ratio? You don't know, you want to know what is the ratio? What's the ratio? Yes, weightage. W, weightage. Ratio adalah weightage. Bukan pecahan tau, weightage, W. Okay, saya nak padam ni sekejap boleh ya? You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to extend my table. Doing with the table is actually very organized class. That's the reason. Okay, small than one. So it is a W. So what is the value given there? 7, 3, M2. Tengok ni. 7, 3, M2. Okay guys. There are 2 index are missing. Tak ada dekat dalam soalan. Tapi boleh cari sebab kita sudah ada harga. You can take your calculator. You can do for me guys. 4 ringgit divided by 250 times with 100. 4 divided by 250 times with 100. You get 160. So this one also missing. 440 divided by 4. 440. 440 divided by 4 times with 100. You get 110. Faham? So dua index ni kita boleh cari. Lepas tu kita ambil ni kita darab untuk dapatkan IW. $840. 480. 125 M. 220. So ini you akan dapat dekat sini. M plus 12. Di sini pula you akan dapat berapa? 840 plus 480 plus 220. You get 125 M plus 1540. Faham? So saya nak masukkan dalam saya punya formula. The composite index formula. Sigma IW over sigma W. Okay, composite index is here 127.5. Sigma IW is 125 M plus 1540 over M plus 12. One to 7.5 times 12. Tadi ada 4 orang sudah bagi jawapan ni tau. Wow, good. Tadi ada 4 orang sudah bagi saya jawapan ni. M4. Good guys, good. Okay, saya cari soalan susah sikit untuk kamu. Okay, now we do number 3 first. So number 3. Okay, I think you can start to do for me, guys. Question number 3. You can start to do for me A and B first. Maybe I can help you on C. So do for me question number 3.
So which question, sir?
Number 3.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, guys, what's your answer of X? Two point zero zero. Is that 2.00? Good. Okay, then I'm going to do Y now. I'm using the same formula here on top. 90. Thank you. Okay, done. Okay, settle. The A is done. Okay, easy marks, easy marks for you. Okay, calculate the composite index. Okay, jom kita calculate composite index. Actually, class, when come at one point, this chapter become boring, you know. This chapter is you will be boring. Until you see any question that can trigger you, soalan yang nampak susah, baru you akan bangun balik. Otherwise, this chapter is nothing. This one can be easily boring, guys. This chapter, and because of easy. And since it's easy, make sure score full mark for this chapter. So no excuse actually, no excuse. So guys, weightage is there. P is 144. Q is 36. R is 90. S is 72. And what is the T there? $18. Okay, composite guys. Composite for what here? 6 and 4. The sigma IW is I got 44460 over total is 360. 123.5. Dapat tak jawapan ni? 123.5. Double check guys. Okay, ada yang sudah kata sama jawapan dengan saya. So sama jawapan dengan saya should be okay. Kalau tak jawapan sama dengan saya, bukan saya betul tau. Okay, saya boleh salah, double check. Okay, semua kata sama dengan jawapan dengan saya. Then should be okay. Okay guys, I want you to settle this faster. I want to give you a slightly different type of question. Come. Are you ready? Done, okay. So guys, look at the question C. The price for each component increased 20%. Okay. Now, you want to see the keyword there? You want to know any keyword there? Okay, can you circle for me each component? Can you circle the word each component? Because they are talking, okay. Guys, do you know when we talk about all, when we combine all, is actually composite. Faham tak faham? Okay. The price of each component increased by 20% from the year 2006 to 2008. Now, given that the production cost of the one toy in year 2004 is 55, calculate the corresponding cost of 2008. Okay, I leave it to you. 2 minutes for you to try. Come, do first. Yes.
RM 81.51.
RM?
81.51.
81.51. Okay, I keep that one, the answer 81.51.
51.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so I keep this answer first. I don't know the answer yet. Okay, so guys, you want to try? If you get same answer with your friend, let me know. so many different answer. I love it. 87.00. Then got 66.00. Oh. $78, 78.93. Wow. Become multiple choice question. 78.90. Oh, 78.93 jadi famous pula. Okay. 78.93 is the highest. Highest is the highest one. Highest. Highest means banyak orang bagi. This one 111. Okay. $66. Wow. Dua orang sudah bagi ni. Okay.
66, sir.
Oi, 3 orang. Wait, how come 66 suddenly can become hot tadi? Ada 4 orang bagi pula. Tadi ada 2, sekarang sudah 3, 4, 7 orang. Okay, ini sudah naik balik. Ada 2 orang bagi ni. Okay, this is your number 1 ranking. Number 2 ranking. Oh, ada orang bagi ni, tiba-tiba 2 orang bagi ni. New answer. 139,895. Cukup lah. Saya tak mau banyak jawapan. Okay guys, come. Let us start. Okay, the price of each component increase. Okay. Now, what they are talking about? Okay, you read the question. You should know what they are talking about. Okay. Now, when you read the question, they talk about toy. Okay. Did you read the question or not? What is all this component actually? What is the usage of all this component? What is the usage of all this component? Okay, now this is the explain question. Please take note. Please take note. Okay, they will give you a component like this, or they give you ingredients. They will take all these component or ingredient, they will do something else. You found that dia akan ambil gabung semua ni, dia akan jadikan satu benda. Okay, in this question, they said, kalau you baca soalan dekat atas, dia kata, they use all these component to produce a toy. They use all these component to produce the toy. Okay, whenever they talk about toys, dengar perkataan saya, whenever they talk about toys, toys is composite index. Tadi saya kata betul kan? Ingat lagi tak tadi saya kata? Telur ayam index. Cake composite index. So now toy is composite index. Boleh faham? So dia gabung semua ni buat satu toy. Toy is composite index. Composite index. Boleh faham tak? Okay. Toy is composite index, Toys is composite index. Okay. Now, saya baca soalan C balik. The price for each component increased by 20% from the year 2006 to 2008. The price of each component increased. So dekat sana price tu adalah price index. Price index. Price index. So kalau dia kata each component, maksudnya itu adalah composite index sebab dia bincang tentang semua komponen. You faham tak? Dia kata the price of each component increased by 20%. Maksudnya dia bincang tentang semua komponen. When they discuss about all component is actually composite index. So dengar sini saya sudah ada satu maklumat tambahan. Composite index saya. The composite index which is talking about 8 and 6. So I put 8 here /6 here. And they say the increase by 20%. That means 120. Okay, semua tolong berhenti dengar dulu. Don't do anything. Please stop and listen. Okay. Now, siapa yang tak faham ni tolong beritahu saya. Okay, first I read the statement. Saya baca statement pertama. The price of each component increased 20%. Price of each component. That means they are talking about all the component is composite index. Understand? So I put composite index for 8 and 6 is 120. Why 120? Because increased 20%, 120. Okay. So now, you read the question. If you read the question slowly, you can understand that. Okay, you baca. Okay. Now, if you read the question properly, I think you can see that in that question got 3 years involved. Agree or not? Dalam soalan tu ada 3 tahun terlibat. Dalam soalan tu ada 3 tahun terlibat. Apa dia? 6, 8 and 4. Yes or no? Dalam soalan tu
Yes.
ada 3 tahun terlibat. Okay? 4, 6, 8. I put 4, 6, 8 dah. 4, 6 and 8. Ada 3 tahun terlibat. Ada 3 tahun terlibat. So 3 tahun terlibat, ini dia punya sistem. Okay. Now, here they give you 8 and 6. So 8 and 6 is 120. I put it here 120. Actually, what you are insert here? You are insert composite index. So kalau you guna composite index, ada satu lagi composite index you boleh guna. Ni dia. There's another one more composite index that we already find here, which is 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is 123.5. 123.5. So this is 6 and 4. Here, I can find this composite index. Saya boleh cari composite index yang baru ni. Ini adalah 8 dengan 4. 8 dengan 4. Ada pelajar tanya, you fikir, apa saya tengah lu buat ni? Kenapa cari ni? Okay, I will tell you slowly first. You understand, try to understand first. So I can find 8 and 10. So remember the formula, ini darah dengan ni bagi 100. 123.5 times with 120 divide by 100. So 123.5 times with 120. So 148.2. Jadi saya sudah dapat ni. Okey. Dengar sekejap. Tak habis lagi tau. Okay, baru dia punya soalan. Dia kata calculate, okay. Given that the production cost of the toy 2004. Okay, dengar ayat tu bawah saja, ayat bawah tu. Given that the production cost of the toy in 2004 is 55, calculate 2008. Dia bagi kamu harga 2004, dia suruh cari 2008. 2004, 2008. Tengok depan. Index 2004 dengan 2008. So I put 8 on top, 4 and bottom. Times 800. So dia sudah bagi kita 2004. He already give us 2004, which is 55. Dia suruh cari 2008. Dia sudah bagi 2004, dia suruh cari 2008. So what I have to do is, I need to have an index which is connected 4 and 8. Saya kena ada satu index yang ada hubungan 4 dengan 8 dah. 4 and 8, can you see or not? Index of 4 and 8, itu yang saya sudah cari. So ini masuk dalam ni. So I need this index. Index yang melibatkan 4 dengan 8. So that's the reason we finding here. 4 dengan 8 masuk sini. So it's 148.2. Price of 08 tak tahu berapa, but price of 04 is 55. So, kita nak tengok siapa kita punya pemenang. Ni dia. 8151. Ni jawapan dia. 8151. Itu pemenang dia. Ha? So 78 semua sudah kalah dah. 81.51. Dua orang bagi jawapan ni.
The least expected answer.
The least expected. Okay. So do you understand? Slowly generate the question. That's why I say the question looks simple, but you have to create your idea. So first thing, you should know the index the given is composite. That's number one. Number two, in that question got 3 years involved. You have to do this method to get the index which is connected 8 and 4. 8 and 4. So after that, use that one inside our index formula. Itu cara dia. The chain slowly you have to digest. Okay, never mind. We still got time. I try to get for you almost same type of question. Okay, guys, can we do a 7? Question 7. Sir, how to catch the train by 12:30? Huh? Oh, have to catch the train 12:30. Okay, okay. Okay, Kavin, bye-bye. See you. See you on Saturday. Okay, guys, do for me 7. Seven class, huh? Question 7. Seven, huh? You're doing 7, so I'm going to erase this. So guys, after this is your effort. You have to do questions so that once you did the questions, you can do the question. That means you understand. If you don't know how to do the question, then you still got problem on your understanding. Faham? Huh? So make sure there's a lot of question in my module. Please start to do whatever question you don't know. Maybe you can ask me during the class time or whatever. Okay. I think you all wait by next week. I will try to arrange all the module that I give you, right? I try to arrange for you to answer. Okay. So I try arrange for you to answer. Sir, if percentage expenditure is yeah, weightage, still weightage. Now that's why I say the weightage can be in any form. Bentuk dia macam-macam dia akan tanya, tapi itu weightage. Faham? The percentage is weightage, angle is weightage, ratio is weightage, pie chart is weightage, bar chart is weightage. So many things. Everything is weightage. So don't worry. So I write the formula first, easy for you to understand. So the index for the price of 7 over 5 times 100. So you're going to use this formula for this question. So you can always write the formula so that you can follow the entire same thing. Okay, guys, what's the answer for X? Anyone help me? I couldn't see that. Please
1 to 5, sir.
come again.
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Thank you. 1 to 5. Okay, this one is 50. What? How about 1? 450. Is that 450?
4.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, what is that?
2.5.
0.5. Okay, done. So X, Y, Z complete. Okay, done, huh? So we can move on to next. Calculate the composite next. So you want to know how, I think some of you will do this. I'm not so sure. So composite index, you will put like I. You can just put in a wrong, what do you call fraction? You put everything on a fraction. Okay. So some of you are doing that. Can carry on, no problem. Sebab tadi ada pelajar tanya. You can do, guys. You can do, no problem. Now this one's one of my students do this. Okay, I don't know if you are in that thing or not. You know what this student did? He divide all by 4. Make it simplest form. Dia bahagi 4, bahagi 4, bahagi 4, bahagi 4. Everything divide by 4. And after that, you use a new weightage. Actually, by doing that, can be done. Can also. But the thing is, itu zaman saya punya cara lah. So kenapa tak zaman saya punya cara? Sebab zaman saya tak ada calculator. So to what do you call, to multiply with the big number is problem. So that's why we simplified that. But now you are having a calculator with you, calculator yang canggih. Tak perlu simplify, darab sajalah. Faham? So don't need to waste your time on doing all that. It is a composite index. For the year what? 7 and 5. Okay, the total of sigma IW 2000 plus 1800 6000 2880 212. Is this 100 class? Okay, settle. So this is your composite. You know why I love to label this? Did your teacher telling you this, right? If you start to label like this, so that easy for you to use anywhere. You can take and use it anywhere. You can see index of 5 and 7. You can take and use anywhere. So that's the reason you have to indicate all that. So ini kalau boleh buat benda ni bagus. You boleh guna mana-mana saja. Because all this is a connected question, you know. You're going to use this anywhere. So we don't know. Faham? Okay. Now we already done A, we already done B. Now we're going to do the C now. The cost of making a packet of food. Actually, class, what we are doing now, when you combine all these items, we are making one food. I don't know what food, but we call it food. Okay, kita buat satu item, makanan lah. Okay, so they say the cost of making a packet of food in year 2005 is 50. So they are talking about food. What food? Composite. They are talking about composite. Okay, if you check this question, they are talking about 2005 and 2007. 5 and 7. 5 and 7 here. 5 and 7 here. Okay, I'm going to use this formula. This formula. I'm going to use this formula. I put it here, question C. So index, I need to put, okay, it's a price of 0.7 and 0.5 times in 100, right? But here, if you want to put the price also can, but they are here, they're talking about cost. So nampak cantik, we tukarlah P ni jadi C. You find that class is not is actually quite good, you know. You learn all this. You can put the word cost. Nampak lagi cantik. Okay, your teacher also will be happy. Okay, now the cost of the making of the food for 2005. 2005 is berapa? Cost of 2005 is 50 ringgit. You can cari 2007. So since they are talking about food, food is a composite. So we're going to use this composite here. So 126.8. Cost of 7 tak tahu. Cost of 5 is 50. And times it 100. So C07. You're going to get 63.40. Done. Wow. So what about again? Is that okay, guys? Okay, good. Now do for me D.
One four 5.82.
145.82. Wow, banyak orang bagi saya jawapan yang sama. Okay, in this question, if you see they mentioned there, you see got 3 years involved, right? Good. So dapat idea dah. So all this idea, how you can get all this idea? When you do a lot of questions, you will get idea. So here involving 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, and 9. Okay. 5, 7, 9. So they talk about all ingredient. All means is they talk about composite. So 7 to 9, they say increase 50% is 115. And 5 to 7, kita serah dekat sini. 126.8. So you need to find this composite index of 9/5. So it's 9 and 5. So you darab dua-dua ni bagi 100. One, 4, 5, 8, 2. Ini jawapan kawan kamu bagi lah. Okay, Aris. Okay. So good. One more question. Okay, go to your 15, 15. Go to your 15. Okay, we do one question here. So 15, 15. Okay, now guys, do you know how long you need to take to complete this question in exam? Do you know, right? Do anybody knows?
No.
Okay, guys, your section C got 2 questions you need to answer. In real exam, in real SPM, you have section C ada 4 soalan. Section C will have 4 questions. Okay, you need to answer 2 only. Okay, do you know your paper 2 is 2 hours 30 minutes? Do you know your paper 2 is 2 hours 30 minutes? The 30 minutes is actually belongs to section C. 2 hours 30 minutes, the 30 minutes is belongs to section C. So that means kalau you nak jawab 2 soalan dalam section C, each question is 15 minutes, 15 minit. But I don't think so you use 15 minutes. You can solve it within 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes you can do. Faham tak? So if we can do less than 10 minutes or 10 minutes, you save another 10 minutes. You save 10 minutes, you can give to other difficult question. Understand? So don't use exactly 15 minutes. Faham? You can settle it less than 10 minutes is better. Okay, do now question number 15. Okay, soalan nombor 15 you buat. Then we discuss the entire answer together. So bagi kamu more than 5 minutes, try first. Sir, I have to leave now. Okay, okay. I got so many index here. Tak apalah, buat lah, no problem. Every question got solution, don't worry. So this is an index 8 and 16. So I put index, I put index 18 and 16. 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 5, 1, 3, 0, 1, 4, 0, and 120. Change in price index for the year 2018-20. This is index of 20/18. Okay, tapi dia guna perkataan dekat sana, unchanged, no change, all this, right? Kalau no change, 100%. Increase, 140. No change, 100. Decrease, 90. No change is 100. So pelajar yang tak faham, kalau dia kata increase, you tambah. Kalau dia kata decrease, you tolak. Unchanged is 100. Tadi saya dah beritahu kamu sekali lagi, saya ulang, okay? The price index for the year 2000. Alamak, satu lagi pula. Okay. This is 20 and 60. 20 and 60. So this one is 120. This is X. This is 130. This is Y. And this is 120. So this is W weightage. 5, 6, P, 4, 2. You faham? So what I did, I changed with my own style. Okay. Tengah-tengah tu kita tukarlah, tu saja. Okay. The composite index of the making of the cake. Okay, this one they talk about cake. For the 2020 base 2016 is 136. Okay. Okay, first question, they ask you to find XY. Calculate the price of the ingredient M in 2016. If the price of 2020 is 630, calculate the value of the P. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, come. So guys, 18, 16 and 20. We have 3 years involved here, right? 3 years involved. So I'm going to take the K first. So 16, 18, 20. Okay, this one is 1860. 1860 is 115. 1860 is 115. This one is 2080. 20 and 80. 20 and 80 is 140. And this one is 2060. 2060 is X. So ini rasa you boleh buat dah. Kan? So this one you can do, right? So to get the X, you need to take 115 times with 140 divided by 100. Anyone can help me with the value? What's X? 161. Thank you. Settle. To settle the Y pula sekarang, if you want to settle the Y, same idea guys, Y. So it's 16, 18, and 20. Okay, 16. Okay, I just put first. Okay, 16, 18 is 140. And 80, 20 is 90. And this is your Y. So can anybody give me the Y?
126.
126 time. Interesting question class. You nampak tak? Okay. So kita sudah habis A1, baru habis A1. So dia minta calculate the price of the ingredient M. M, you know, they asking to talk about M only. M, huh? So I put it here. Number 2 easy for me. They're talking about 16 and 20, you know, 16 and 20. 16 and 20, you know. So I'm going to put it here, index P16 over, sorry, 20 or 6, 2060. Okay, because the question have 16 and 20. Okay, 60, okay, this is the ingredient M. This one, right? This one. You have to go to M. This is ingredient M. Okay. So ingredient M, 2060, 2060, 2060, you have to go to this. Okay. This one 2060. Because they need 2060. So 2060. So why? This is your Y, 126. Maksud sini. Index is 126. The price of 20, sudah bagi 630. You want to cari price of 16. RM5. Thank you. Siapa yang tak faham ni? Tolong beritahu saya. Jangan duduk diam. You have to tell me. Otherwise, no point we are doing this. Because in the question talking about price of 20 and 60. So 20 and 60. I put it in the formula. I put 20 and 60 in the formula. And once I put it 2060 in the formula, this is the ingredient M. You have to go to the M and you have to check the 2060. This is 8060, no. 2080, no. 2060. Then you have to use this. So this one is 126. We already managed to get 126. Then everything you can plug in, then you can get the answer. Boleh faham? Okay. Thank you. So A1 done, A2 done. So we go for B. Calculate, okay. Guys, dekat atas, you baca balik dekat atas tu. The composite index of the cost of making of this cake, 2020 and 60. 20 and 60. So they are talking about this only. 20 and 60. So I'm going to take out this. I'm going to do 1 to 6. So they only talk about 20 and 60. Can I erase this for a while? So I'm going to put one more row here. This is IW. So guys, 2060, any saja. You have to just take this one only. No need to think about all this. So IW means dalam dua-dua ni. The X is already given, right? X berapa? 161. Okay. Got it. So kita buat composite index now. Okay, this is a question. What question is that? Question B, huh? So the composite index, dia sudah bagi. Composite index berapa tau? 2060. Dia sudah bagi. What is the composite index yang dia bagi? 136. What is the composite index? The sigma IW, that is 600 plus 966, 504, and 240 is 130P plus 200, sorry, 2310. 2310 divided by this one. This one is 10, 15, 17. So P plus 17.
Sir,
Yes.
the I for 2020 and 16, why 120? Here in the table.
In the table. This one.
Not
Table.
124.
Oh, nasib baik. Kenapa baru beritahu saya?
And for
What
the second question, right? The I is not 126, is 136.
This one.
Yeah, the composite index for the cost of making the cake in the year 2020 based on the year 2016 is 136.
Tadi siapa yang bagi saya?
Not that, not Y, sir, not Y.
This is Y is 126. That one is correct.
That's correct.
The They're not correct.
Which one else missing?
What?
So this one is
The composite index. The
composite index.
composite index.
Here.
Here for the second question. Down.
Down
the table.
This one.
136.
Oh, because of this mistake lah. Eh? Hey,
No, sir. 126. Y is actually 126.
ini why is 136 come from?
So 136 for the composite index.
No, my question is now where okay, this one is correct, right? 126 is correct.
126 is correct, sir. But the composite size side of 2020 and 2016 is 136.
Hey, this is not composite index. They are talking about item M only one. You see, the question is only talking about item M, ingredient
Okay.
M only,
Okay.
not all. You understand?
Okay.
Now understand already. So here, if they talk about all the items, then you can use it composite here. But here, they're using only the ingredient M. They are talking about M only. So I need to take 1 to 6. Bang. This one is okay, right?
Sure.
Only 1 to 4 is yes.
So, and also the composite 20 over 16 equals to 130, right? Why you put 136 there?
This one.
Question B. Yeah. Equals to 130, right?
Come again?
The composite 20 over 16 equals to 130, right? In the table they got 130, but so put 136.
In a table. Yang mana satu pula? Saya sudah hilang sekarang. Sekejap. Okay, this one is my type, my writing here. Give me 1 minute, guys. So give me 1 minute, give me 1 minute. 1 to 4 times with 5. 220. This is 20. 20. This one. 620. 966. 504 plus 240. So 3320. 30. Okay. The rest is okay. Now ask me question. Where is the mistake? Apa dia? Tadi orang.
The B composite side 20 over
Which
16
question now?
equals to
Which question? You're talking about this question.
question. Yeah.
Okay. You're asking what is this?
Equals to,
No, 136 is given by the question, what? Not us. Check the question. The composite index for the cost of the making of this cake for the year 2020 base 2016 is 136. Is in the question. This is composite index. Guys, this is not composite index. You combine all this, then only composite index akan muncul. So 2060 is given by the question. Inside the question got. Faham?
okay, sir.
Okay, done. Lagi. Now, another method is just now, here we cannot use composite index because this is not composite index. They are talking about ingredient M only. So we only you need to talk about M only. So that's why in this formula is 2060, 2060 is 126. So it is have to settle. So my mistake is typing error here, right? My writing error here. Okay, only mistakes. How do you do corrections? So 2330. Okay. This one is 136 times it's 70. 2312. This one is 6p. 2330 minus 2312, you get 18. And P is 3. Betul tak? P 3. Semua dapat?
Dapat.
Okay. Okay, done. Okay, P. Now, C. Go back to your C. The cost of baking a cake in the year 2016 is 25. Find the selling price of the cake made in year 2020. They come again. 60, they talk about 60 and 20. 60 and 20, they talk about 60 and 20. 60 and 20. So 16 and 20 still here. We are still here. Guys, they are talking about cake. Cost of baking a cake. When they talk about cake is what? Composite. Cake is composite. Okay. They are talking about cake. So you need to use composite first now.
So you have to total all up.
Come again?
Do you need to total it all up?
Composite. That is composite then. We use this composite 136 because we are talking about the cake. Cake is already combination of all. So actually class, the composite is actually what they did. This composite already given for you there, 136. You don't need to count. Kita bukan cari composite sekarang. Composite is already given, 136. Just now what we do, we are finding the P by using the composite. We finding the P using the composite. So already done. So the composite is already here, 136. This is your cake, index of your cake. This is the index of your cake. So for question C, the cost of baking a cake in the year 2016 is 25. So when they talk about cake is composite. So you need to use this 136. Why I'm going to use 136? Because in the question, they're talking about 16 and 20. 16 and 20. So this is what we're going to use. So for question C, I'm going to use the index P20 over 60 times 100. Okay. So this one, since we are talking about cake, I'm going to use 136. The price of 0. Okay, wait, come again. Give me a second. The cost of baking of the cake for the year 2016 is 25. Finding the selling price of the cake made in year 2020 if the baker intend to make a profit. Okay. Belum habis lagi tau soalan dia. Cantik dia punya soalan. Okay. The cost of baking of the cake in 2016 is. So P, I don't want to put P. I want to put C. Can, right? Can I put C? So C easy for you to understand. C is the cost. So cost of 20, we want to find the cost of 20. Cost of 20. And cost of 16 is already given as 25. Times it 100. So anybody can give me the C is 20?
34.
34. Exactly 34. Okay, this is not your answer. This is not your answer. You know why? Belum habis lagi. Okay. Find the selling price. This is a cost price. Selling price. So dia nak tambah 80%. You want to increase 80%. Okay, this is 100%, you know. This is 100%. This is 100%. That guy want to make a profit of 80%. So this is 100%. If you want to make a profit of 80%, what is the percentage? 180. Okay, what do? You take 34 times with the 180 over 100. 180%. So 6120. There's a student asked me a question, sir, can I times with 80%? Boleh. You boleh ambil ni 34, you times with 80%. You will get 2720. 2720. You need to plus back with this value. Palm, you need to plus back this value because the 2720 is the profit. This is the cost. You have to remember cost plus the profit, you will get the selling price. Cost plus the profit, you will get the selling price. So lagi senang, terus darab 180. Always remember your cost price is 180. When you want to make it profit, it will become 180. So you take 34 times it 180 divide by 100. You get 62.
61 point.
61.20. 61.20. Where is my, okay, never mind. You can write there 61.20. Boleh faham tak kelas?
Boleh, sir.
Okay, this is the idea of this question. Very, very interesting. Actually got a lot of questions there. So you want to try, you try first. So what I do, you give me until next week. I will try to arrange for you all the answer for this chapter. Okay, I try to arrange for you all the answer. So I give you the answer. Then after that, you can recheck with your own idea. Okay, guys, for your question, the solution of triangle, what I do, I make a video for you. Because I need to go back from the A to B. I straight away cannot do the C. I need to explain the A to Z. From A back, from A, then only easy for me to explain. So what I do, I try to do a video. Later, I post you the video in your Telegram group. You go and watch yourself. If you don't understand, later you ask me. It's better for me. I don't want to explain C sebab ada pelajar yang tak datang kelas kita semalam. So if I start to explain, they will be blur. Okay, I put the whole video, then you watch, and if you've got problem, you let me know. Okay. So guys, listen. We already completed chapter 9 and chapter 10. Officially already done. Okay. So this week, I'm going to start chapter 3 for you. System of equation. And then by another 2 weeks, I can settle this chapter 3. I can enter chapter 4. Okay. So thank you for your time, sir. Ask Form 4 students to subscribe your YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. So guys, I got a YouTube channel. You can go and search a question there. A lot of questions, K-Bar question halls there. That one is actually I do for fun, not for commercial base. I just do for fun. Because during COVID time, a lot of students asking me questions. So some are repetition. So what I did, one of my friend told me that you just take and upload in your YouTube. Whenever they ask them to go and watch. And the best thing is the question is still there. Anytime you can go and watch. Okay. So okay, sir, I will go and subscribe. Thank you. Later, once I put the video, you can go and watch. After that, you subscribe. Okay, guys, thank you, and see you tomorrow for my Simpapa students, and Friday will be my Kelang Lama, and Saturday Taman Selasih. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Thanks,
See
sir.
you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye, guys.